This is an image of a storm larger than the Earth. It has been raging for decades, yet scientists are still searching for answers. The giant hexagonal storm is located at the North Pole of Saturn. It forms a nearly perfect hexagon shape that stretches about 30,000 kilometers across. This makes it about 2.5 times wider than the Earth. At this massive scale, you could easily fit 2 entire Earths inside the storm's boundaries. Scientists first discovered the hexagon in the early 1980s through images captured by the Voyager spacecraft. The Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft were launched by NASA in 1977. They are on a mission into space. On board each spacecraft is a unique artifact known as the Golden Record. The Golden Record is designed as a message from humanity to any intelligent extraterrestrial life that might encounter the spacecraft in the distant future. The Golden Record will serve as an evidence of human existence and civilization should humanity ever become extinct. The record contains a carefully curated collection of sounds, images, music, and greetings that showcase the diversity of life and culture on Earth. The Voyager spacecraft remained the farthest man-made objects from Earth. Voyager 1, the more distant of the two, is currently over 24 billion kilometers from Earth and continues its journey into interstellar space. The Voyager missions that carried the Golden Record also provided humanity with some of the earliest images of Saturn's remarkable hexagonal storm. Later observations by the Cassini mission revealed an astonishing fact. The storm had remained stable for decades. Unlike the short-lived storms on Earth that drift, weaken, and eventually disappear, Saturn's mysterious hexagon endures. Locked to the planet's rotation, it circles the North Pole while preserving its striking hexagonal shape. Scientists believe the storm is driven by powerful jet streams racing through Saturn's atmosphere at speeds exceeding 300 km per hour. These immense winds churn vast layers of gas into a pattern that naturally organizes itself into a perfect hexagon, a phenomenon unlike anything seen on Earth. Saturn is indeed a planet shrouded in mystery, unlike anything we have ever known. Saturn is about 95 times more massive than Earth, with an average radius of nearly 10 times that of the Earth. In terms of volume, Saturn could contain over 760 Earths, highlighting its immense size. Yet its average density is much lower than that of the Earth, since it is made of gases. It is less dense than water. Theoretically, Saturn would float if placed in a sufficiently large ocean. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest in the solar system, surpassed only by Jupiter in size. The name Saturn comes from the Romans, who named it after their god Saturnius, the god of agriculture and time. Saturn is a gas giant, meaning it lacks a solid surface in a conventional sense. Instead, it is composed predominantly of hydrogen and helium, with traces of methane, ammonia, and water vapor. Its interior is believed to have 3 distinct layers: a core of rock and metal, a deep layer of metallic hydrogen, and an outer layer of molecular hydrogen. Far beyond the Earth, Saturn follows a vast path around the Sun, traveling at an average distance of about 1.4 billion kilometers. One journey around the Sun takes over 29 Earth years, meaning an entire Saturnian year lasts almost 3 decades on Earth. Yet while the giant planet moves very slowly through space, it spins with incredible speed. A single day on Saturn lasts just over 10 hours. This rapid rotation causes the planet to bulge outward at the equator and flatten slightly at the poles. Deep within the thick layers of gas, the fast rotation helps drive powerful atmospheric currents, which create bands of high-speed winds that fuel enormous storms that can persist for years or even decades.